The fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. Education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats the beauty and the youth. A person should not be too honest. Straight trees are cut first, and honest people are screwed first. A man is great by deeds, not by birth. Even if a snake is not poisonous, it should pretend to be venomous. The biggest Guru mantra is this: never share your secrets with anybody. It will destroy you. There is some self-interest behind every friendship. There is no friendship without self-interest. This is a bitter truth. The world's biggest power is the youth and beauty of a woman. Never make friends with people who are above or below you in status. Such friendships will never give you any happiness. Once you start working on something, don't be afraid of failure and don't abandon it. People who work sincerely are the happiest. Books are as useful to a stupid person as a mirror is useful to a blind person. God doesn't dwell in the wooden, stony, or earthen idols. His abode is in our feelings, our thoughts. As soon as the fear approaches near, attack and destroy it. Test a servant while in the discharge of his duty, a relative in difficulty, a friend in adversity, and a wife in misfortune. The earth is supported by the power of truth. It is the power of truth that makes the sun shine and the winds blow. Indeed, all things rest upon truth. He who is overly attached to his family members experiences fear and sorrow, for the root of all grief is attachment. Thus, one should discard attachment to be happy. The wise man should restrain his senses like the crane and accomplish his purpose with due knowledge of his place, time, and ability. As long as your body is healthy and under control, and death is distant, try to save your soul. When death is imminent, what can you do? Purity of speech, of the mind, of the senses, and of a compassionate heart are needed by one who desires to rise to the divine platform. If one has a good disposition, what other virtue is needed? If a man has fame, what is the value of other ornamentation?